Doctor. Ari's Malik ties the final knot on the bandage. The golden retriever wags its tail, and Ari's can't help but smile. Take care, Mrs. Higgins, he says. She thanks him, hands him a check, and disappears into the rainy night. The clinic falls silent, 12 hours on his feet. His legs ache. Ari's flips the sign on the door, closed. Then, a fist slams against the glass. A man stands outside, soaked, wild-eyed, a wounded friend slung over his shoulder. A red towel pressed against the man's stomach. Blood dripping into the rain. Ari's points toward the hospital down the street. I'm just a vet. The man pulls out a pistol and taps it against the glass. Ari's unlocks the door. The clinic erupts into chaos. Mud, water, blood across the clean tile floor. They lay the injured man on the exam table. Fix him, the gunman says. 2 words, but Ari's hears the rest of the sentence. Fix him, or you join him. He doesn't have human medicine. He doesn't have the right tools. He doesn't have training for this. But he doesn't have a choice. He grabs a horse tranquilizer. Calculates the dosage in his head. Prays he doesn't stop the man's heart. Injects. 20 minutes. He cleans the wound. Controls the bleeding. Stitches with heavy blue nylon, the same thread he uses on German shepherds. Final knot. The gunman tosses a thick envelope onto the patient's chest. Keep your mouth shut. $5,000. Ari's mops the blood, hides the money behind old tax returns in his filing cabinet. That night changes everything. 3 days later, the phone rings. The vet who works late. Double the pay. This time it's 47 stitches. $10,000. Soon the back door stays unlocked on Tuesdays and Thursdays. A construction worker. Burned hands. A shattered kneecap. Ari's tells himself, I'm helping people. 3 months later, the clinic shines. His daughter Haya's tuition is paid. Equipment upgraded. Cash hidden in more than one place. He thinks he's in control. That's his biggest mistake. One night, a black van. A bag over his head. When it comes off, he's inside a private medical facility. Glass walls. Expensive machines. On the operating table lies the most powerful man in the city, Rais Kadir. Owner of the ports. Owner of the police. Internal bleeding. Just another mammal, the suited man says. A guard rests his hand on his gun. Ari scrubs in. 2 hours. Then another. Final stitch. Rais Kadir lives. I want to go home, Ari says. The glass walls turn white. The door seals shut. Rais opens his eyes. Smiles. Your talent was wasted on house pets. Drive. Ari's. In the corner of the room, a bed. A desk. A stack of medical textbooks. You work for me now. Ari's heart pounds. Haya. She'll be taken care of, Rais says calmly. The door does not open. Ari's touches the cold glass. He remembers the first night. The pistol tapping on the window. The weight of the envelope in his hand. He thought he was making a choice. He was wrong. He spent his life saving animals. Now he's the one in a cage.